Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 29th January 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 13, number 21, number 37, number 43, booster number 9. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership. 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 38, number 20, number 45, number 13, number 8, booster number 25. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.